NASA has called a sudden press conference, which always gets me pretty excited that actually today could be that day. Aliens? Aliens. Hello and welcome back to InformOverload. I'm Rebecca Felgate. Charlotte isn't here today, so she can't hug an alien, but I can sing my alien song. I will save it for the end of this episode though, just so the people who are here for the actual news and not my singing can get stuck into it. Also, if you can do me a little favor while you're here and hit that like button, and of course please do leave us an alien-based comment. Aliens! Okay, NASA, show me what you got. NASA has called a huge press conference for Thursday where they are expected to announce a major breakthrough, and I quote, major breakthrough. It is thought that the news comes from their Kepler space telescope, which is used to investigate potential Earth-like planets in our galaxy. When they say Earth-like, they mean life-sustaining, so this would basically mean land and water planets with a breathable atmosphere. These planets are often referred to as exoplanets, which means they orbit other stars. Kepler completed its main mission in 2012, but it started its K2 mission 2 years later to search for more hospitable planets. Astronomers are now predicting that each star in the Milky Way could in theory have its very own Earth-like planet. I guess that would make sense, right? Now we don't know exactly what will be said in the conference yet, but we do know that the results of the Kepler space mission research have been made a lot easier to determine thanks to Google. Everyone's mate Google. There has been so much information, so much data coming from Kepler that human analysts have been struggling to keep up. Google has deployed artificial intelligence to help analyze the data quicker, so basically robots than aliens. Oh my. Leading the conference will be a senior Google software engineer, NASA's head of astrophysics, and 2 scientists. Now something in my gut tells me this isn't going to be the day that we're waiting for in terms of the big alien life announcement, but it could be a big day in the step towards finding another planet that we could potentially live on. I guess we'd all better stay tuned until the press conference takes place tomorrow. I for one am really excited because there is nothing cooler or more important to me than space. Okay, keeping it space related, let's read a few comments from mine and Charlotte's collaboration video yesterday about Mad Mike Hughes. Now if you're not familiar with him, he's the guy who thinks the earth is flat and wants to jump out of a rocket to prove it, because logic. Aquam Sheep 24 said, doubt that thing can go into the stratosphere, there's not enough propulsion. Yes, Aquam Sheep, that is one of a plethora of issues. Also, Mad Mike Hughes. He's mad, he's crazy, he doesn't understand. He's not like us. Kofifi Laquifa said, y'all queens should do more videos together. Well yeah, also I'd love your username. Okay, I want to read my favourite comment exchange of them all. Kato G said, please provide your scientific proof the earth is a ball, girls. If you know it's a ball, you must have some sort of proof. I mean, without opening the whole religion can of worms, I don't even need to reply, because Pancos of Grey said, you can watch the stars rotating at night, you can buy a cheap telescope and see the International Space Station with your own eyes, see different stars in different hemispheres, you can look at the satellite dishes on your house and investigate how they work. You can check journey times between countries that are in the far south. If the world was flat, those countries can't be close but must be spread around the rim. Just by looking at flight times, you can see that. Well thanks, Panicos of Greys, thank you. Good. Research, science, provable physics, some of my favourite things. And aliens. So I guess actually it must be time for the aliens song. Now get ready. Aliens, aliens, aliens. Aliens, aliens, aliens. Come say hi, we're really nice. I want you to be my friends. Woo! For all the aliens watching, I'm Rebecca. Come at me, bro. Thanks guys for watching this episode of I.O. Yes, I've gone crazy, but you know what? That's fine. I'm Rebecca Felgate. If you like this video, make sure you give it a good thumbs up, share it with an alien friend, and stay subscribed to I.O. If you want to keep on watching more I.O. videos, then here are 2 more from earlier this week that we think you'll love. Bye!